But if more members, like 50, 60 members, I don't take attendance. So madam will take attendance. It kills the time. See, it's almost it took for 10 minutes time for attendance only. Okay. Yeah. Anyway, we started again, guys. So morning, I've taken this class, same class. Okay. But freshly, I will write it again for you. Guys, first of all, understand IT organization. First of all, understand an IT organization. What is this? An IT organization. Like Savantis is an IT company. HCL is an IT company. Wipro is an IT company. Right? What is this IT companies will? Some are complete IT organization. Some are in one business. Their one part of organization is IT organization. For example, you take Tata. Tata has different businesses, but there is an IT business is also there. Okay, IT related business is there. So that's TCS. What we like, you can Reliance or maybe different organizations. Some are IT business part is there, or separate IT organizations. Right? What is this IT organizations or IT businesses? Will provide an IT services to the other organizations, means IT or non-IT organizations. So what is an IT organization will do, or what is meant by IT business? It is providing IT services. These IT services, okay, different IT services, different IT companies provide different IT services. It can be a software development. Maybe my client need a certain software, some accounting software is required. Okay, some maybe is work related, maybe like shopping related software, like Zomato, Swiggy. You go to DMart. So what they will do, they use the software to make it easy to build the billing software. Like you go to DMart, so there is use billing software, right? Or maybe there is Swiggy, Zomato. That is an also software applications, which is built by the IT organizations, different IT organizations, like software development. And we know IT means, as people estimate, IT company means it's a software company. Guys, in IT, it's not only about just a software development. There are other kind of services also there. Okay. Application management services, deploying this software into different servers, either in our premises server or client premise server or cloud computing services. Cloud computing on the cloud, we're deploying our applications, managing these applications, managing and these applications, configuring applications, maintenance, troubleshooting, monitoring. These are all we do it. Okay. Other than this software develop, managing of servers, installation, okay, servers, configuration of these servers, server hardware installations, operating system installation, server applications installation, managing of desktops, laptops, storages, network, securities, backups, storage and backup, virtualizations, okay, IP telephones, private cloud, hybrid clouds, public cloud management, cloud-based infrastructure, on-premises infrastructure, cloud infrastructures, deploying an application into the cloud, deploying application into our premises, our client premises, okay, managing client-related infrastructure in our premises, managing client infrastructure in client infrastructure, managing client infrastructure in the cloud. These are all IT services only. Different organizations require different kind of applications, different type of interfaces, connectivities, services. So different IT companies provide these type of services. Okay. These type of services. This is IT organization. We go to some companies. For example, did I open any Savantis company? No. This is just learning new things. Here it is. What I say, Savantis, right? This is a Savantis company. Already just morning on I've opened this. See this? We go to the Savantis.com. One second, wait. Just a second, guys. Okay. See what services the Savantis company is providing. See, it is providing, okay, SAP HANA consulting, customer experiences, okay, SAP based analysis, cloud and managed services, cloud based hostings, infrastructure services, SAP basis outsourcing, SAP based application services, SAP ALM, application level management, something is that. So basis outsourcing means managing SAP servers. Okay, server-based server, it says managing, administrating that servers. Okay, cloud-based administration, also one of the services. And staffing solutions. Different IT organizations required different people. Some organization required freshers, some organization experienced people. I told different staff from different experience facing by our recruiters team, because we also source the experienced people to the companies, right? So 1 year experience, 10 years experience, 20 years experience candidates also there. Different technologies. How the people are selected for an experience. People working in a reputed organizations like HCL, Cognizant, Wipro. So people who are working in a reputed organization. So other companies, fastly they will take this people. Okay. So faster, shortlist fast. Second is people who are not changing their companies very frequently. Some people work in an organization 3 years, 5 years, then change the company. They work another organization, another 5 years. So these companies require the stable people, people who are work for a longer period of time, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. So continuous work experience, continuous working in one organization. They feel they are trustworthy. Once we give an opportunity to those people, they'll work for another 5, 6 years. So they no need to invest for recruiting new people, changing everything. Not required. Simply they will hire those people. This is our recruitment means HR teams who is facing sometimes issue like they find a suitable candidate, but is frequently changing his company. Even he has enough experience and that related package and technical knowledge. The clients are not agreeing. That's why we are keep on telling to the people, guys. For you only. I'm telling to everyone. So once you join an organization, it's not a funny that you go to another company if you don't like it, not like that. Keep working, keep learning your work, keep understand your work, keep working, keep learning your work first. Keep on keep learning this. What are the tools they are using? What are the monitoring tools they are using? What are the service desk tools they are using? What are the technologies they are using? So what are the software they are using? It? First learn it, understand it. Then learn new technologies also. Start learning any cloud technology, cyber security, DevOps, SRE. So start learning new technologies. What are the technology you like it? Just start learning. Even Windows Server, Linux servers, networking. So once you upgrade your new technologies, then you can move into the domain related specifications. As a fresher, you are open to everything. You are open technology kind of stuff, not stick into any technology right now. But once you are choose your technology and you want to move into that technology, It's very easy to move into the another technology. But it is not in a 1 week or 2 weeks time. You have to keep on working, keep upgrading yourself. If any possibility, do certification in that technology or move to the particular technical domain. So later you can do tech certification also. Okay. Right now you're learn and going. It's not a one point. One point that is thing, but still it is. Once you are inside, so you gain IT experience, total IT experience also important. You gain IT experience 6 months, 1 year, 2 years. You gain experience, right? You learn a technology and you move into the technical related, that technical related when you moving. So then you move technical domain experiences. Okay. So that's where yes. Okay. So we'll back once again, guys. What is Savantis providing services? What type of industries there are providing pharmaceuticals, public sectors, different other companies, and the different partners we are having. Okay, and different achievements we are having. Okay, so this is what it is. Yes, Savantis. Also, go to different other technologies. Go to the other companies like HCL because two companies are first two important. Okay, one is Savantis, next is HCL, and also check the other companies like Cognizant, Tech Mahindra, Wipro, Infosys. So what are their capabilities or services? Some companies show services, some sites it shows capabilities. What are the capabilities or services? What type of services there are providing? See cyber security services, data and AI, network in HCL is very big network service provider, not for your home or office. Okay, it is for organizations, WAN type connectivities. Mainly their bigger clients in network service providing is banking sector. For banks, they provide secure network solutions. Okay, so like supply chain management, in production organizations related, non-IT organizations. Okay. So like that, guys, not only a software development, but also it is providing different other services, cloud-based services, software-related services, security-related services, networking-related services. So now organization providing different set of services. Okay. You can also go to other sites, things like Cognizant, Wipro. Okay. Go to Cognizant, go to Wipro, go to Tech Mahindra. So different websites and go through this. First is services, next is industries, and partners are clients. So they got a Guinness World Record also. Vibe coding, week set, Guinness World Record title. Okay. So these are the services. See, lot of services, basic feature kind of stuff. Agent Foundry, AI-based services. Okay. Application related services, automations, cloud computing. Okay. So some are we don't know also their names. Cyber security, data and AI, enterprise platform related services, Pega, SAP, Oracle services, engineering research and development services, enterprise related services, CRM based services, IoT and engineering services like GES, geospatial solutions, quality engineering assurances, software engineering services. Different industries that are providing services. Some are technical, some are non-technical organizations. Okay. So they are providing an IT services, an organization providing IT services, different type of IT services to other organizations. Other organizations can be IT or non-IT organizations. Compulsory check the services, guys. You will get a good idea about these services, organizations and their services. Not every organization is, not every organization is software developer. Not every organization required software. They need a software. Already the softwares they are using. Okay. So we, for example, Savantis not ask any company to give a new kind of software for Savantis. already developed and we are utilizing those software. We are also need a software up to certain point. For example, HR related. So we contact HR related solutions, that related software for our companies. Okay, of course. Okay. So, but not only software related kind of stuff, guys. Also, there is a use infrastructure management related, infrastructure based application management, database servers, storage servers. So, lot of things required. Lot of things used by IT organizations, used by IT organization, provided from the IT organization also. Okay. So, these are the different IT. As a part of this one, guys, as I said, this is different services provided by different IT organization to different organization. So what are the starting profile? It is you are joining. It's a fresher profile you are joining, a trainee analyst or analyst trainee or service desk analyst trainee. Guys, once you join an organization, just before I told, this is my personal point. Okay, it's not in the notes or anything. Once you join, start learning. Okay, in this introduction, what I'm trying to say. Start learn your work. Okay, what are the work they are assigned to you? They will daily they will provide given a task. So learn that task, learn how to do it. They will tell you how to do it. Do the task, complete the task. Then you will learn. So what is this company what doing? What is the work? The way of work process. You will learn the processes, different practices, processes, tools, softwares. What software they are using, what tools they are using, how they will communicate, what are the monitoring system they are using. Okay, what are the work is assigned to you, do that work. And this is, guys, you are providing services to the customer, right? You are providing services to the customers. Okay, so when this customer, right, you are providing services to customers. Savantis is providing SCP based services to their customers, right? So your company is a service provider and it is providing services to the customer, that is a client organization. Client or also you can say customer, right? So your service provider, your organization providing a services to a client, another organization. Okay? Your organization is providing services to the other organization. So this is accessing the services. This is service providing the services. So it means the client is accessing the what the service you are providing. Okay. All right. So in this organization, different team of people are there. Some are desktop support engineer, some are networking support team, some are storage administrator, system administrator, cyber security administrator, cloud administrators, security administrators, okay, virtualization administrator, DevOps engineers or SRE engineers, like different team of people with a different technical skills, okay, working in an organization, depends upon that organization, okay. So either they maintain their infrastructure, like they are having a servers, like a storage servers, web servers, database servers, virtualization servers, networking components, storage components, security devices. So they are having their own infrastructures, right? Right. What is these people will do it? For example, I said desktop support engineers. This desktop support engineer managing users' laptops, desktops, basic networking troubleshooting related handled by desktop support engineer. Okay. So next is like system administrators, is they install and configure and manage and troubleshoot servers related issues. Installation of hardware servers, server operating system, server applications also. Thank you. Full off and 1 second, guys. Okay, sorry. Okay, we'll back. What is this? System administrator. So managing servers, installation of servers, configuring servers, related, Windows server, Linux servers, virtualization servers. Network engineers, network administrators, managing networking related, LAN management, WAN management, switches, routers administrations, monitoring network related activities. Okay, network functionalities, network connectivities. Okay, virtualization administrator means managing VMware or Hyper-V virtualization platforms, creating virtual machines, running virtual machines. Okay, so any proper you say cloud administrator. The cloud administrators will manage the cloud related sources. Okay, running a cloud infrastructure services, platform services. Okay, managing the cloud-based virtual machine, database servers, like that. DevOps engineers will manage the CI by CD kind of stuff. Okay, managing this continuous deployment, continuous integrations, continuous monitoring, okay, continuous testing. So managing those systems, administrating those systems like Jenkins, Marvin, Puppet, Chef, kind of stuff. Okay. So like this, like different people. So security people also, cyber security people, security or cyber security people will manage this entire network services. So what are the incoming packets, outgoing packets? What are any vulnerabilities, exploits are there happens inside your infrastructure? They will continuously monitor and will take care of different issues, okay, and create different profiles. So then they can filter out the any miscellaneous things comes inside. Like different technical stuff works in the our IT organization for providing. Of course, we forget some more people, right? Software developers, testers. Okay, these are also people are there in the IT company. So I'm ignoring them. So software engineers, test engineers, software testers, they're also part of IT organization. Depends upon IT organization. So for example, my company don't do any development in the software. So I don't need a software developer. I need a person who can understand that client applications. Okay. Okay. So like that. The software developers. These are all people works in our IT organizations with different roles and responsibilities. So, what is the most roles and responsibilities? Common way of everyone's work is install or deploy an applications, installation of and deployment, configuring, install, deploy, configure, okay, maintaining, monitoring, troubleshoot. What is the people doing? A network administrator, install the networking devices, networking related software, configuring it, maintaining it, monitoring it. Any issue occur, troubleshooting. Okay. As a system administrator, as a Windows system administrator, installing version of Windows Server operating system, configuring Windows Server roles, configuring server roles, kind of stuff. Okay. Configuring server roles, maintaining servers, monitoring it, how it is functioning and all. Any issues occur, troubleshooting it. Guys, all these people comes under one common title that is called a service desk analyst. All are service desk analyst only. Okay. So their work is assigned. Okay. Work is assigned either from their project managers or team leaders through ticketing system. And also they got a information of requirements of client. The client is required some information, some kind of support. Maybe client got an issue. They also need a support, right? If client got a network related issues, they ask the service provider, right? So, for example, I am providing a cloud related services to my client, cloud related solution to my client. Client got some issue in the cloud, some access related issue got it. So, who will going to ask? He is asking who is providing that company only and who is under cloud administrator. But he cannot able to contact directly to the cloud administrator, right? So they need a platform. There is a something, a platform is required. Through this platform only, he will contact. So he needs something, he'll put it in this platform. It can be a software platform, or it can be a group of people. It can be a telephone, or it can be a email. He put it in that information in this platform. That platform we call it as service desk. Service desk is a platform. It provides single point of contact to meet the communication between user and the user means the client or a customer person and our technical team. Okay, our technical team. So he wants something, information, or change of services, or access permissions, or issue. You want to report an issue. You put that information into this service desk. In the service desk, all his information means user information, his organization information, contact details, and what is his requirement. Put it in this ticket. Put it in a document called a ticket. Guys, you worked as a senior cloud engineer or a fresher system administrator. Both will get tickets, guys. People who are receiving ticket does not mean there are some very less people, very small people in the organization. It's not like that. People who are works in a different roles, but all are under service desk analyst only. All are service desk. Only technical wise, you segregated. You are working on a systems, means Windows servers or Linux server. You are a system administrator. You work on networks, you are network admin. You work on cloud, you are cloud administrator. But all are comes under only one role is that is called a service desk analyst only. And in that service desk analysis also levels are there. Like as you are a fresher, you are level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. Level 4 generally it's consultants. So level 1, level 0 also there. Level 0, level 1, level 2, level 3, and level 4. Okay. In that one. So L1 system engineer having a different experience and technical knowledge and certain rights like certain access permissions. And coming to the L2 system engineer having more access permission, more technical knowledge, more technical experience. Experience increases, knowledge increases, technical domain specific knowledge increases, level increases. Based on your technical knowledge, you will be in the in a technical team. Okay. Either you become a system administrator or network administrator or cloud administrator, depends upon what technical knowledge you are having. Okay. As a fresher, you're common. You're common to everyone. You're common. So it's not your any technical specification. Only company wants based on that project availability for first 1 year, almost all first 1 year, you will be works on different technical teams to gain understand experience in the basic level, in a L1 level. So later once you are learn any technologies, you like it, you are good in the technology. So obviously can move into that specific technology. For example, you learn Windows Server, you become Windows Server administrator. That's it. You learn CCNA, you become network administrator. Okay. So like that it is. So service desk. Okay. Where are the last point? Yes. What is the client requirement? Put it in a document called ticket that is assigned to that specific team. The team understand what is the client requirement. Okay. In the team person who is a cloud engineer is a part of our service desk can understand the requirement and fulfill the client requirement. Once it is full, then this ticket is closed. Ticket is like a communication document. What is the required and what is the issue will mention in the ticket. And that ticket has to be resolved or fulfilled as per the ticket information. And based on what technology, the technical person is going to solve that one. I told a lot of things, guys. So I'm going back to one single point once again, because as I said, why I'm telling this entire thing to make it understand what is the steps we should do it after the joining into organization, what are the scariest scope. That is first important. Okay. Then you will understand because a lot of people misunderstanding when they hear about service desk, what they're under. So they ask some people, they said it's non-technical. So people get confused. Guys, this is a technical work. Like it's not a customer care. Okay. It is not a customer care. It is a technical work only. But the level is L1 level, the basic starting level only. Actually, L0 is a starting level, very starting level. But most of you will get a L1 position as I think so. Even L0 or L1, there is not a much in the field. Okay, first you join, and once you join, start learning what the work is assigned to you. Start keep on working and learn what technology you want to learn. Okay, then you will grow. Okay, then you will go to the next level. So different verticals of technologies are guys. IT does not mean always software. There's different domains are there. You learn Windows Server. You learn if you learn Windows Servers technology. Okay, if you learn Windows Servers, you can move into this Windows Server administration domain. There are different technical domains. You can move later in your organizations. To move into different organization domains, to move into different domains in an organization, you should have that related technical knowledge, okay, and overall IT experience. With this one, you gain IT experience. By learning and working, you gain domain technical experience. You learn about a Linux, you learn Linux, Red Hat Enterprise Linux. You become Linux administrator. You will manage the Linux servers. You learn CCN, you become network administrator. You like the cloud computing, learn cloud computing, AWS cloud, Azure cloud, okay, Google Cloud Platform, GCP. OCA, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. You become a administrator, cloud engineer, cloud expert. You learn about virtualization technology, VMware, vSphere, or ESXi, or Hyper-V, Microsoft Hyper-V, Zen servers, Citrix Zen servers, Proximox CVEs, different virtualization technologies. You become virtualization related administrator. You learn about storage technologies, NAS, SAN type of storage technologies, NetApp kind of technologies. You learn it, you become storage administrator. You learn about a backup like IBM Tivoli, net backup technologies. You become backup administrator or storage and network backup administrator. You learn about security, CISSP kind of technologies, security plus CompShare, security plus things. Then it is you become this cyber security administrator. So there are the different domain scopes are there. Once you are step into the organization, start learning your work first. Don't worry like this is take 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month, 2 month. It may take and much time. Don't worry about. So you have to keep on working, gain IT experience, and start learning what technology you like it. Please go through that. Okay, go through that technology, learn it. Okay, learn it, practice it, and ask for the things, level up. Okay, so you can ask for the upgradation. So you can move into that related teams. You work on that, focus on only one technologies. Now it is overall technical thing you will do it because it's a starting position. Because you don't have any technical specific right now, but later you will go with the technical. So IT experience is important. Next is overall technical knowledge is important. If you keep on doing like one vertical to another, you work on Windows Server. Later you learn about networking, become you another vertical, and you gain some more experience and you go to the virtualization. You want additional experience, you go move to the cyber security. Then you become an IT manager, solution architects. So different scope is there in this technical part. Okay. So this is what I'm trying to say. Of course, the chapter again I will going to start. Okay. But this is the thing because I want to clarify before we start. Okay. Yes, one more, few more points I want to add it. Anyway, these are doubts in that. So in my earlier question, this is someone in the last batch they pointed this one. How to handle the customer handling, yes, customers. So are we required to call and customer kind of stuff? Guys, it is your customers belongs to another organization. These are getting a service from your company based on their technical service what they are providing. You have to support those people, right? You have to do installation for them in their servers, their server related updations and upgradations. These points also you should add it. One more important as you do like a update or upgrade is called patchworking. This is some people say it is patchworking. Updating the servers, upgradation of servers, operating system, applications updates, okay, infrastructure updates, updations and upgradations, installations, configurations, monitoring of your infrastructure, okay, means your servers, storages, network, like that. And for your client purpose also, either for client infrastructure or for your client, your infrastructure you have to and support and understand customer request. Customer is not able to access certain vendor stuff. It can be any level. So first understand and provide related information support to the customer. These customers are belongs to another organization and your company is providing a kind of service. It can be cloud service, it can be virtualization service, or it can be networking related service, it can be application related services, it can be any service. So you are providing services. Sometimes basic desktop support engineering services. Okay. If customer system is not working, you have to provide a service. But what I'm saying it is initially you do basic level of troubleshooting, hardware level or a networking level, or depends upon your project, cloud level services also. It is there. It depends whenever it is. Okay. So that's what I'm trying to say. So it is not a call center like someone call you and scold you, then why you are not fixing my internet connection. That is, you are not getting that calls anyway. Okay. So this is the point I told. Just I am giving that information. But now we'll go to the few other points. Okay. Here it is, guys. Your package, people keep on saying, why you are going with this very low package? Outside 7 lakhs, 10 lakhs packages are available. Pay 1 lakh rupees in our institute, you'll get a 7 lakhs package. There is no guarantee, warranty on it, guys. Okay. If you want to learn, you can learn. I'm not stopping to anything to you guys, but there is no guarantee, warranty kind of. Once you are, if you want to gain, go into the upper positions, like you want to show your skills on cyber security. You want to become a cloud computing computer, or maybe you want to become a DevOps engineer. You want to become a Azure DevOps engineer. You want to become AWS DevOps engineer, or only DevOps engineer, or SRE engineers. Or you want to become a Linux administrator. You want to become a Cisco data center administrator. First, you need an entrance. Entrance ticket is very important. Even I have learned a lot of things in my graduation level only. I learned about Windows Server, Linux servers, not Linux servers, Windows and network. Okay. I have knowledge now, but still it is in earlier as a fresher. I have a CCNA, I have a Windows servers technologies. But I tried as a Windows administrator, network administrator. They said we need an experienced people. Where is the experience? I learn it. I don't have an experience. As a fresher, where I get experience. But I don't know this profile called a desktop support engineer. Okay. I don't know this profile called a desktop support engineer and service desk analyst. Service desk. I don't know these two names that time. And I didn't tell to the people like who are doing these recommendations also. So I don't know. So then definitely they said no, we need an experienced people. Okay. So that is the thing, guys. It is you need an experience. To gain experience, you have to get against an IT organization. Whatever it is initially, but is later you have to learn the things. And then you are gaining experience as well as technical knowledge. Only technical knowledge is sometimes it is not enough. So getting inside is very important. Of course, actually I started point with differently, but this is a first important one. As I said earlier, some people say why you want to go with the less packages. Why can't you go with the high packages with these technologies, guys? Not everyone can able to go inside. And if you want, you can do survey. How many people are learning these technologies by paying 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh, and how many are really getting the job on this technologies, on the same technology they are working. So find out those things before you are taking any decision. Okay, before any decision you are taking. Second, that is third one. Locations. Guys, as a fresher or an experienced person, depends upon our current requirements. Okay. We should go, we should ourselves make sure that we can go to any place. You go to any place, generally we have to stay in the rooms only, right? Hostels and rooms. We, anyone, so different location means in starting, we can't offer any room to do until unless your package is very huge. Okay, house renting and all that is huge package. As a bachelor and as a youngsters, we don't go to that kind of stuff. Even your package is very huge also. Anywhere you go, you stay in hostels again because of the cooking and all. Only problem is people who are staying in the same city. You are in Hyderabad city. You are in your same home. Your parents are in the Hyderabad. Your parents in Bangalore. Your parents in Chennai. Only that time locations are maybe little difficult because you are paying here and there. Okay, so it is easy for you if it is same city. Like you are in your hometown and you say like, sir, I am in my hometown. I want a job in my hometown. So how it is possible? Okay. I'm in some village and I want a HCL in a H village. Is it a possible? Oh, so even I got even the person who have a knowledge, very good knowledge in IT related, is actually search for a job for people. Okay, it's a consultant. He's asking they want a job in their own town. So how it is possible? That companies are in the cities, major cities, that too, not in a small. You must be flexible to work in a location as a fresher or an experience because they are not stable, guys. You work in one location for 1 or 2 years. Maybe your project is open, your related next project is in different location. You should move it until unless you are stabilized, you gain some experience, knowledge. You don't want to move from one location to another location right now. After 5 years, no, sir, we can't able to move. Okay, because of sake of project, my family is here. Then you can choose different options. But right now, guys, whether it is HCL or Cognizant or Wipro, wherever the locations are there, wherever the current locations are available, where the requirement is available, we should flexible to go to that locations only. Keep it that in mind. If people will say lot of things to you, why you are working for this package, why you are working as this one, better to go as a software developer. Why can't you go as a cyber security engineer? So someone is earning 7 lakhs, they got 7 lakh packages, 8 lakh packages. Why can't you get that one? Okay. Why can't you get a job in your own local? See, this guy is my relative, their son got a job in our own location, is doing all work from home only. Very good money. And we don't know what is their reality. There are keep on staying there. What is my point is, if someone said, go for a 7 lakhs rupees package or 8 lakhs rupees package, someone your relative is getting, someone your friends group is getting. They keep on telling, so better to go for this package. Okay. What you say, simply give me that job. See, if you can you are not getting it directly, right? They're telling. So ask them, give me that job. You will do it, right? Definitely we will go for 2 lakhs package for a 7 lakhs package. Okay. So it's not wrong. It is like if someone offered me directly, someone came and gave me a 20 lakhs package. Why should I work here? So I will go for 20 lakhs package. Okay. But first thing is give me a job. Ask them, give me a job, then I definitely will go. Give me the location confirmation. Give me in my hometown. Work from home. Okay. So these are all nonsense, guys. People keep on putting in your mind. Okay. Even the parent, people listening to others, like our parents listening to someone, they keep on putting different kind of ideas in them. These you are youngsters can be able to struggle. Okay. In my age, I may not able to struggle, but you're in your age, you can able to struggle a lot. You can learn new things. You can explore things. Okay. So this is the right time for your things. Okay. So start doing it. So a lot of people going to different location to do different jobs. Okay. So even recent wars, we understand that the people also going to this Ukraine. Okay. South Africa locations also. Okay. Some small, okay, like Uganda locations and this Israel, Palestinian. They're also working people. Why people are working in that location? People are education and working purpose. They are going for this type of countries. People may go to America or maybe Britain or maybe they will go to Australia. They are going to here also. Why can't you go within India? Okay. So I'm not forcing guys. Think I'm asking you to. Okay. So people put a different ideas in your mind before you take any decisions now or later, maybe after joining also. Please think about your career. Okay. About your career. So instead of sitting in home, if you sit in home, only one question everybody asks, what are you doing? You started working and what you are working on. Okay. How much you are earning? You are earning 20,000 per month. It is, yeah, 20,000 only. That guy is earning 40,000. If you are earning 50,000, that guy is earning 1 lakh. Like. It's always comparison, criticization. Don't worry about it. Be yourself only, guys. Think yourself and do it. That's what personally I'm telling. It's not about an organization, Savantis, and I don't mind about any other things because I worked in different institutes, different places. Okay. Even for a few days, I worked in Pune location, not few days, years. I went to Pune location and came back to Hyderabad. Okay. Different locations I worked. For just for 10 days sessions also I went to Bangalore. So different things. I stayed in a rooms, hotels, okay, hostels, right? It's a different kind of stuff. We do a lot of things. So it's as this, we make sure you are flexible to work in any locations. Okay, what are the profile? What are these things? You got a reputed organizations. Start working. First of all, important is guys, improve your communication. Practice as are given the exercises. Okay. So try max to get selected inside. Once you got selected, start working. Once you got selected, I'm talking all about now. The second part is all about getting after selection, right? Once you get into this inside, start learning work because people need a work and working people. People say 90% management, 10% work. That is worst things. People say 90% management, 10% work. That is in only some places, only certain areas only. Your work is always measured, guys, not a biscuits or anything, chocolates, okay, cakes, not like that. It is always your work is always measured by organizations. Okay, that is very important. Not a 90% management. It's 90% work. Management means talk to your manager. Talk to your manager, say good morning. Okay. Talk to your project manager, talk to your team leaders, talk to your employees. Basic talk. Hi, bye, good morning, good afternoon. How are you? So, did you have a tea or not? Okay. So, these are the basic communication is important in organization to make yourself comfortable or make others comfortable with. Does not mean you should take them and give a party, daily go to have a weekend parties and not required. Do your work. Work is always measurable. Remaining management is simple, healthy management. How you treat a normal friend in your college, same way you should treat everybody. They no need to be your dear friends. Okay. So that is it. That's you like, you will learn things. Okay? Improve your technical knowledge. Improve your technical knowledge. Definitely within a 4 to 5 years, you'll be in the higher positions. Okay. Depends upon the time, guys. It is sometimes it will take less, sometimes take more time. All depends upon. Okay. This is all my personal things. Please don't mind anything. Okay. Uh, yes, service desk is a part of IT only. Okay. Service desk is IT only. That's why I'm saying it is okay. It is a IT and technical related only. Okay. So yeah, that's it. Mhm. Okay. You know, general. I'm talking something more generalized part now. Okay, guys. Even though we discriminate the people in the different ways, higher and lower type. People works in the call centers will will think it's a very less and job, and people working as a software developer, there is a very high people. Okay, like there are legends, are great people. There are worst people and scrap people. And, you know, in India, just for fun, I'm talking. Okay, this is just for fun. Understand? The India is actually IT business started with the BPOs, business process outsourcing. America, like our countries having different IT companies, they're selling their products, hardware products, operating system, application related, right? So different things, not only IT, non-IT products also there, banking sectors. So they need the people who are having a knowledge and understanding. They need a support to their businesses. So they're given this outsourcing, this entire outsourcing given to the India. So India is grabbed because lot of educated people who can able to speak in English mainly. Okay, that too people can fake their accent to American accent. Earlier days, American accent is mandatory. Later it is accent neutral. Now it is accent neutral is important. Okay, more neutral is better. Not 100% neutral. More neutral is better now. Earlier it is 100% neutral. Now it is better. 80%, 90% neutral accent is required. Okay. So earlier this, because of BPO, India become IT hub. What is BPO? Business process outsource. Customer care, technical support. There is a two main important, customer caring and technical support. Different. The people from different organization are individual people. So this BPO is not, we are not Airtel BPO. It is international calling BPO. So these are, because of these people, this IT sector, this sector, India become IT hub. Not because of any software developer, not because of Indians are very intelligent and there are, what is this? They are invented the entire software, not because of them. Because of we are having good communication and technical skills, and we works in a different time levels, overnight, afternoon to midnight, morning to evening, different times, 8 hours continuous. Any shift people can able to do work. Not because of we are cheap, because we are flexible. Then that's why in India grab majority of IT jobs. Okay, as compared to worldwide. Okay, so these are without these people, if they don't build this one, these are all not at all there in India. Even outside also they won't get. Okay, so don't think, guys. So first start doing work, earning money. So start doing work. Okay, later you will understand once you go inside and start continuously work for 2 3 years. What happened? Okay, so that is. If you have any other doubts, also you can ask me, guys. Um, Anything about your 40,000 check, or maybe um, anything, any form of doubts, you can ask me. Okay?
Sir,
Yeah,
within
tell me.
1 year, we'll converted into HCL.
Yes. So you have to work for a 1 year. 1 year in HCL you should work. And payroll is 70s. 70s is paying to you. Okay. And your work location is HCL. Means, so whenever you relieve from your HCL company, first 1 year, the relieving letter is on the 70s only. But your client is HCL. Your working is client work HCL, and your client means on which project you are working, to whom you are supporting is your client, and working location is HCL. I am working location is HCL company only. You are working inside a HCL company. Client is HCL client which you are supporting. Maybe one client or multiple clients you will support in a 1 year. That is, I'm talking about your resume, okay? And you are on your relieving appointment and relieving letter is given by Savantis, salaries by Savantis. So you are based on your performance, technical knowledge, communication test, internal test also there within 1 year, internal promotions also there. So then you will be taken into the HCL. Now you're working in HCL and your appointment letter, relieving letters, okay, payment by HCL only. Again, if you work, for example, another 2 years in HCL, okay, and you will become something in between, like not only just L1 support, and you become L2 support engineer in the any technical domain you choose in between. So later you can find anything, or maybe you can continue anyway, which is. But your question is, answer is yes. You should work in a HCL for 1 year under 70's payroll. Okay. In your resume, what client you are worked that is you will mention, and where is your working location is HCL under payroll of 70's. If you have any doubt in that how to mention after 1 year, so madam will help you to do that one. After 1 year, you are a payroll of HCL only. Working in HCL, payroll is also HCL, and a salary paid by HCL, experience letters, okay, appointment letters. Now HCL means you work here 1 year, later is HCL. Okay. Yeah, any another question, guys? Next. New doubts, no doubts, no doubts. Okay, so you should ask questions. Okay. So from now only we should clarify. Later also I can clarify, no problem.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, actually, I am from like Parul University, and when the companies came in our college, so the package will be showed like 3.5, and so I want to know that the like package will same or will change.
So company, your college people said it's 3.5. Which
Yeah,
college?
Parul University.
Oral University. I hear
Yeah.
this on somewhere in
Uh,
advertisements.
no, actually, in our like job portal.
Yeah. Okay.
So my companies,
Um,
which companies are came from hiring in our college. So in their like job description, there we mention 3.5 for this company, Savantis Solution.
so you came from campus selection or on yourself?
No, no, campus selection.
Campus selection. Right, fine. Okay, I will talk to sir and then where is that communication happen? So because I am not sure about what is the package right now. Okay. So he will give you clarity. Okay.
Okay.
Either Vista ma'am or ma'am. Okay.
Oh, sir.
Parallel University.
Yeah,
Tell me.
my doubt is that like what's the package like when we are joining the HCL actual package?
As a no, it is 2.2. It's a package.
Okay.
But why it is 3.5? Maybe anything changes or updates are happen. I'm not sure. Okay. So I will talk to sir and madam, so they will clarify. Okay.
Okay. Actually,
So yeah,
I
tell me.
asked I asked my like in my college their one hub for their like placement cell. So they were saying
Okay.
that the company is giving the description and they like showing us same. So like when I'm saying to the cell that like the package was 2.2 and you are showing 3.5. So they are saying that we are like talking with the company, sorry, talk with the company, but like they are not replying like their mail or something like that.
It may be the college related, I don't know. But actually, as you know, it is up to now, it is 2.2 lakhs only. As you know,
Okay.
maybe anything happen inside a college, we don't know, right? I am not. So once I will check with the sir and any clarity, you can get it from Ravan sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
It's a 2.4 or 3.4. Sir will tell you. You can ask me at the time, session time, okay, tomorrow. Meanwhile, I will also inform, I will try.
Okay, sir.
There
Yes.
left or, okay, okay, yeah. Pranay, tell me.
Sir, good evening, sir. I'm Pranay from Hyderabad.
Pranay, tell me.
Sir, what I want to ask is, it's 100% assurance that within 1 year will convert from Savantis to HCL.
I don't want to give any guarantee, warranty kind of stuff, but lot of people converted into HCL permanent role. I don't have a list. You can ask Ravan sir because he's good track with the students. So those are all converted into HCL. Okay. But important is, yes, guys, first learn work. What are the work is I said, keep on doing work, learn work. And next one is important is upgrade. Any technology, start learning. So they will provide some portals and start learning on. Work is very important. So once you score in that work and any internal interviews, okay, so definitely will go into the permanent role of F. And this experience is not wasted. The training, how it is not wasted also. The experience also not wasted. But better always try to make sure that is try maximum to getting inside an HCL of permanent role of HCL. If you work for another 2 years, then you will gain good experience, good in the hand. Okay.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Thank you. Okay, guys, anyone? Any questions? So my this is I'm keep on repeating one point only always. So in additional points also same thing, guys. This is the training first important about one is like a training part and another is what happened after getting inside an organization. I'm not sure about this package changes, but as I know it's 2.4 or 2.2 lakhs per annum at present. Any changes happened, I don't know. Okay, but we can get clarified. One is this training, compulsory attend the training, live sessions, compulsory attend both technical and soft skills, and do not skip any 100%. Make sure you should attend the soft skill sessions and do all the exercises given by the Ravan sir because of that exercises is help you to pass in the versant and voice and accent. Okay, and technical round also. Okay, because technical also main important is communications. So to make sure that it's any doubts or questions, any difficulty you're facing in the communication or yourself, you can freely talk to us, me or Ravan sir and Vishta madam. Mainly in a training related, you can talk to us. Okay, that is you facing yourself, then you can freely talk to put it in a message in the group and ask any doubts you are having. We are clarifying. Second, once you complete the training and test, once you are going inside, people keep maybe a lot of ideas we are getting in our minds. My point is, whatever the once you are getting inside, if you don't getting inside, that's a different point. Once you are getting inside, whatever the location, it is always good, guys. It's we are in the same, always safe locations. What are the locations? First is shifts. Nothing guys. People works in different shifts. People are working. Not only you. Lot of people works in different shifts. Lot of people works in a different location. Not only you guys. You are not especially made. I am not especially made. There are also not specially made. Okay. People works in different locations, different shifts. They are working. And this is a starting one. As a fresher, it's a good, excellent work. Whatever it is whether it is looks very small or very big or very complex or very easy. Start doing work. Keep learning your work and improve your technical knowledge. Upgrade yourself. Okay, that is the main important to getting up up level, higher level in a future. That is a very important. I know like lot of people, uh, who are now in as work as IT managers, okay, in a companies, big companies, solution architects, okay, higher management location. They're all started with this service desk analyst only. Their careers are started from the service desk analyst only. Okay, not only you guys, they're also started from this. So this is the one. Okay, any doubts in the feelings? We'll take it. Yeah, someone is trying to ask question. I interrupted. Yeah, tell me.
I have a question.
Yeah, Vikas, tell me.
There is the cab service provided for both side.
I think that is, no, no. I think it depends upon shifts. I think so. Depends upon shifts, boys, girls. I think Vista madam told you about cab providing.
Okay. Thank
Yeah,
Sir,
yeah. Tell me.
actually, the like more issue with the package. So if you don't mind, you please like conducting that class that all about the package and what's the uh, dividation of that or something like that.
Okay. Anyway, think Sar is there or left. I don't. It's already 5:30, right? So 5 o'clock. Okay.
No,
I
sir.
will talk to
Tomorrow,
Vista
tomorrow.
madam. Yeah. Otherwise, you can ask in um, Ravan sir in a session. I think tomorrow, if you are having session with Ravan sir, you can directly ask him what happened exactly. What is the
Okay.
package clarity? And another Vikas asked one question, right? Like cab facility. Okay. So that's the thing. Your joinings, and my point is different. Okay. So what are the facilities they are providing? Okay. Packages only. Main information is with the Vista madam. Okay. Any BGVs, this checks, or joining, after joining, Vista madam. Next, after joining, Pavani madam is your HR. Okay. So, and your talent acquisition person is your Vista madam. The all interview process. Okay. And till your join, enter your technical interviews, up to all your interviews until you join into the company. And Revan sir is a main handler. Okay. Of course, I'm a technical person. I am talking all these things, not behalf of company. I cannot behalf of Savantis. All my personal experience, because I've seen some people just stop doing things, means stop attending, stop joining. After joining, they are keep leaving. Okay. So because of some people, I given ideas, different type of ideas, right? My friend told me that so this is not that one, this is that one, this is that one. Okay. AA, BA, CA, AA technology is replacing. Okay. There's a lot of people speak sort of answers. Guys, I worked in real institutes. For training purpose, I'm telling the training, we charge minimum 50,000 for this time. Yeah, charging is free. Only for version test, you have to pay that too only part of payment you are doing it. You know the version test you want to write, it is total cost is around 2,000, 3,000 rupees. What happened earlier, our company is paying for that version test. Later, what happened, the version test cost increase. You are paying only increased cost, not total cost also. We buy bulk licenses. But what happened, that extra cost, what is their increase? Because company not allow extra budget for increasing cost. You are paying a small amount for version test, part of version, increased cost on. Actual cost is company is bearing. Okay. And the training, this practical training, you know where you will get it. You can ask anyone. Okay. So all my personal stuff only because I worked how people are suffered to get a job. I know it, even myself. How much I suffered in my life to getting inside an IT company. Okay. So that's it's a choose properly, guys. Think properly, and don't go with the kind of rumors and things and such because nowadays everything is more faster is rumor, wrong information, wrong directions are more as a compared to correct information. Okay. So I'm not going with any direction. Simply I'm telling direct point, simple to understand and try things. Okay. Finally, guys, it's already 5:15. Tomorrow again 2:30 will start and we'll start from the chapter service desk. Okay, what is the service desk about client, customers, different types of customer. That's all we are going to discuss from tomorrow. That's it. Okay. Um, Thank you. Bye bye and good luck. Okay. We practice every day. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you
Thank you so
guys.
much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
sir.
Thank
sir.
you guys. So meet you on tomorrow 2:30.